ना कर तमन्ना तू कुछ और पाने की, बड़ी उम्मीद बंदी है तुमसे इस ज़माने की। इस कदर काबिल बनाया है तुमने खुद को, हर शख्स तमन्ना रखेगा तुम जैसा बन पाने की।
It's a great privilege and I feel proud to introduce and welcome our chief guest Sardar Harvinder Pal Singh Ji Mehta this evening. Sardar Harvinder Pal Singh Ji, chairman of Timmy Builder and Hotelier and an accomplished business tycoon. He is a humble human being, eminent, popular, not only in community but in our industry also. I take this opportunity to welcome all of you to this felicitation function and wish Sardar Harvinder Pal Singh Ji Mehta good luck.
I welcome our chief patron, Sir Gurinder Singh Ji Bawa, Dr. Asif Iqbal, President of Indian Economic Trade Organization, who has come all the way from Bangalore to attend this function, and Sardar Mandeep Singh Ji Chatwal, founder and CEO of Intellectual Punjabi Chamber of Commerce from Delhi. I and my WPO team extend this congratulations to our Honorable Chairman of World Punjabi Organization, Mr. Timmy Mehta, who has been appointed as Trade Commissioner of Kyrgyzstan. The appointment was presented through the hands of the Ambassador, His Excellency ASEAN ISEV at Delhi. His appointment is a great honor for our World Punjabi Organization and our Sikh community, as he would now be representing a country for trade issues with India for the state of Maharashtra and Goa. We all know Timmy Mehta has risen to this status with a very self-made efforts, and today he is representing many other organizations where he is supporting a lot of activities for service to humanity. He is honored as COVID warrior by the Governor of Maharashtra, Honorable Bhagat Singh Koshyar, for providing humanitarian services during the COVID-19. Congratulate Mr. Timmy Mehta ji for being appointed as a Trade Commissioner for Kyrgyzstan and wish him all the best in his new endeavor.
Thank you so much, and once again I would like to congratulate sir on taking responsibility for representing the Kyrgyz Republic to develop and promote trade relations between the state of Maharashtra and Goa with Kyrgyzstan. The World Punjabi Organization that has initiated this today, so this will go on the world map today. This report is going to go to the Foreign Ministry today, and WPO that has initiated this has taken a great lead in building the India-Kyrgyz relations. Thank you, sir, and congratulations for taking this forward. Thank you very much.
May I now request Sardar Swinder Ji Bright to please come and present a shawl and a bouquet to Dr. Asif Iqbal. May I request Sardar G.S. Bacher, our Vice President, to honor Sardar Mandeep Singh Chatwal, CEO of Intellectual Punjabi Chamber of Commerce. May I request Sardar Bhupinder Singh Machre to please come forward and honor Mr. Dilip Dahil. May I request Lamba Saab to please come forward and present a bouquet to Mr. Mukesh Rishi. May I request Mr. Kiran Mangaonkar, Principal Guru Nanak Khalsa College, to please come forward, and request Mr. Satinder Pal Singh Ahuja to please present him with a bouquet and shawl. I think there's one person who I would like to honor, and that is Mrs. Biti Mehta ji, because without her support and cooperation, Timmy ji would not be where she is today. Thank you. बाग की हर कली खुशबू दे आपको, सूरज की हर किरण नई सुबह दे आपको, हम तो सिर्फ दुआ कर सकते हैं, देने वाला वो रब हर तरक्की और लाखों खुशियां दे आपको. Wish you all the best, Timmy ji, in all your future endeavors. Thank you.